Henan Qianli Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of wheeled tractor, walking tractor, harvester, diesel engine, and all kinds of agricultural implements, etc., and also is one of the key enterprises specializing in exporting agricultural machines in China. Founded in 2003, Henan Qianli Machinery Company Limited was registered with a capital of RMB 90 million. Qianli Machinery has built 13 modernized production lines by now. The factory covers an area of 100,000 square meters. At present, Henan Qianli Machinery Company Limited has set up 78 sales outlets and after-sales service network. Its products have been exported to many countries of Africa, Asia, Eastern Europe, Oceania, South and North America, etc. Henan Qianli Machinery Company Limited launched brand Shalion and regards product quality as the life of the enterprise, and we pursues high standard manufacturing and qualified products. All of our products had passed the international quality certification of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. Some models get CE certificate and E-Mark EEC certificate. Henan Qianli Machinery Company Limited has become the world advanced comprehensive and systematic service and support team. All the staff of our company are expecting to go with you hand in hand and cooperate win-win. Shalion, your agricultural machine.